All you need is 2 websites. Inside of this video, I'm going to share with you the 2 websites that I use to create my own men's skincare line. So if you're looking at Kylie Jenner and you've seen that she came out with her own cosmetic line and you're wondering how she did it, you're going to be able to understand exactly how she built her $1 million empire inside this video, how I started doing it for myself, and how you can do it for yourself as well. Most people think that they need a patent for their product in order to get started, and that's not true. And also most people think that they need a warehouse in order to get started, and that's also not true. If it's ever been a dream of yours to create your own skincare line where you are the face of your own company, you are the model of your own company, or if you just wanted to hire models to model your own skincare line, this video is really going to help you to understand exactly what it takes to make that happen, how much it's going to cost, and how you can do it starting today from this video. Hi, my name is Todd Dowell, and I've been marketing online for the past 12 years, and I've actually been an e-commerce coach where I've taught multiple people how to create 6 figures, 5 figures, 7 figures inside of their business for their e-com business and stores. Here's a few screenshots of the students that I've been able to help just utilizing what I've learned over the last few years of marketing online, period. So if you're wondering what qualifies me to actually teach you how to make money by having your own skincare line, those are the facts. I've helped individuals make money online with their e-commerce businesses, and then I've also created my own men's skincare line, which I'm going to be revealing inside of this video. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel and you love the content inside of my YouTube videos, but you haven't subscribed yet, or maybe this is the first video that you landed on, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as I come out with new videos on how to make money online in a variety of different topics. I don't just go over e-commerce businesses and how to make money through e-commerce drop shipping. I also go over tactics and different things you can do to raise capital to make money or to invest into other passive income streams that I share with you on this channel. And lastly, I do a giveaway every single Friday where I give away my e-com course. Sometimes I may do one-on-one mentorship where I actually get on the phone with you and talk to you about what it is you need to do right now, or a strategic plan. And the way that I do this is I actually give you guys a word of the day, and the word of the day for this is e-com. So if you go ahead and comment right below this video e-com, you're going to be entered into a giveaway, which I will be giving away each and every single Friday for individuals who comment on my videos. Whoever comments the most obviously will have the most entries, and then I pick from there with my random software that allows me to select individuals who comment on my videos to give them access to my prize that I'm giving away every single Friday. Now, before I actually get into the 2 websites that you're going to use right now to start your own skincare business, I want to share with you the products that I've actually created by using these 2 websites. In doing my research, I found that anti-aging creams is something that men do not use very often. However, as time goes on, since here in 2020, 2021, a lot of men are being more metrosexual. They're being more concerned about their skin and the way that they look and different things like that. So I figured that this would be a good niche to go into whenever I created this business. So the anti-aging cream, the black mask, the moisturizer are all products that I had created based on my market research. Once I gathered all my research and I figured out what colors I wanted to use and what types of products I wanted to offer on my website, I went ahead and went over to the first website, which I'm going to be revealing right now. Alibaba is one of my favorite websites to outsource different products, and it is my best website in order to find products that I can white label or products that are similar to the ones that are winning on Amazon. So if I go here and I type in men's skincare and I also type in white label, you're going to be able to see all different types of products that are related to men's skincare that you can white label and basically put your own labels on. So as every one of these that says white label, if you click on any one of them, and let's say for example I wanted to have this anti-aging night cream, I can go ahead and buy this item or this product for $6.90. However, if you look down further where it says custom packaging, custom logo, okay, they have a minimum order of 300 pieces. So as you're doing your research to find other listings, you want to find listings that have a very low number of customization minimum order quantity, okay? Otherwise known as MOQ, minimum order quantity. So as you're doing your research and you're continuing to look here, and this, obviously this setup looks really nice. This one has a minimum order quantity of 5,000. And so what I've been able to realize is that if I contact and talk to the supplier and I ask them if I can have samples with my logo on the product, 10 or 15 units of the product. So that's a good thing, is that they will lower the MOQ, because this is kind of ridiculous to be able to just test to see if this product looks nice or if it would sell at all. So what I did was I contacted every single seller of every product that I liked that matched up with my Amazon research, and I was able to get information on these products and how many samples that I needed to order in order to meet the requirements of that person. So the lingo that I used when I talked to these individuals was, hey, I'm getting ready to start my own brand. I just need like some samples because I need it for photography. I needed to do like videography for my product line. And they were able to let me do it. And it didn't cost me a whole lot to actually get those samples sent out to my house. So once I got these samples sent out to my house, I was able to start creating the video work, the photography work of these products. So as you can see right here on this screen, here's some of the screenshots and video of the photo and video shoot that I did for this product, so that you can see that this actually is something that I did. And then this is the next step of the process for you with this website. So now you may be thinking, well, I don't have a logo. I don't have any labels to put on these products. How do I do that? That's where the second website actually comes into play. So I went over to Upwork.com, and on Upwork.com, as you can tell, it is people who are looking for jobs. These are people who are professionals in every field that you can even imagine. And I was able to find a designer that was able to create the label the way that I need it. So whenever you go to and find a product on this platform, your next part of the process is to ask them, what is the dimensions of the box? What is the dimensions of the label for the products? They will tell you the dimensions of the box and the label, and what you need to do is go over to Upwork, find somebody on in the design niche, and have them design a label, and also have them design the box of the product. Now, that's the great thing about this platform, is that even though you may not know what program they need to use or whatever, they know exactly what to do because they're the experts at doing this, and they've done it multiple times before. So as I hired somebody on here to actually create the samples for my product, I just knew that it was going to take time to put everything together. So here's what they came up with. And then I have like a gang of other stuff too as well. So here's another one with the different logos, logo number 2. And so they created multiple different ones here as well. And so if I look at this tool right here, the program that they use and to communicate with the suppliers and the vendors is called AI. Okay, many of you know what Photoshop is, or maybe you know what Adobe Premiere is, but they also have one that's called AI. And AI is the software, again, that they use to create the program, to create the designs, the logos, and everything. And all you have to do at that point is send over this information to the supplier, and they're able to open up this AI file and then go ahead and print the labels on your products just like this. Okay, so this is what the AI software does. This is what my designer did, and they crafted all these materials here. So when you've seen the physical product earlier in this video, that's exactly what they did. Okay, so with these two websites and combined, you can get your product created out of thin air. Your creativity is the only thing that stands in the way of making this project work. Now, I already knew that I wanted black and white for the colors of this product by doing my research. However, I didn't have any idea, or any creativity didn't go into the actual design of this product. The designer actually created the design, and I just so happened to like the first design that they actually created. So whenever you're going through this, they will give you multiple variations of a different design or logo, which is the first step. And then once you choose your logo, then you want them to create the labels and the box for the products. So in conclusion, guys, if you're looking to build a skincare business, these are the only two websites that you really need. There's nothing else other than that in order to start your own product line. A lot of people get it confused, or they think it's extremely hard to start their own product line because you see millionaires and you see billionaires who created these product lines. But the truth is, they use avenues just like this to get their business off the ground. Maybe they may have professional designers or videography teams just waiting around in order to deliver the results. But in reality, again, to get started, to have something that has your name on it, your brand, to get it all set up, that's all you have to do to get it started. So with that being said, the next step of the process that you need is you need a website. If you go to this website called Minjuve.com, and there's also a link in the description of this YouTube video, Minjuve.com, they actually create the website for you. And as you know, this is my website. We actually create dropship stores, and we also create branded stores for individuals who are looking to start their own product lines. So let's say that you wanted to start your own skincare line. All you would do is just buy the skincare premium dropshipping store right here. We'll set up everything with your logo so that in your product that you have already created using the Upwork website. So after your website is built for you professionally, all you would need to do after this is to start marketing your products. Now, obviously, you can't just sell the products if you don't have inventory sitting at your home. Most people think that they need to have a warehouse in order to get started with this process, and that's not true. All you really need is product ordered to your home. Start from there, guys. This is the best way to do it because it's your brand. So whenever you send traffic to your store and you start making sales, you want to do something called pre-sale. Because if you noticed, even though you may walk them down on the sample price of this product to, let's say, 10 units or whatever, when you decide to buy in bulk, the minimum order quantity is something that you have to walk them down on. In most cases, they will charge 5,000 units of the product before you can actually do anything. Okay? And so you want to try to negotiate with these people, which, by the way, this website, you can negotiate prices, you can negotiate quantities, everything is negotiable on this website. So it's up to you and your sales skills or your negotiating skills in order to get the numbers down. But anyways, as you're going on this website and you see that the packaging is 5,000, you want to make sure that you can walk them down, and then you want to make sure that you can afford it. If you can't afford to buy 1,000 units, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 units, the best way to go about marketing your new brand is to have a pre-sale offer. Let's say that in 9 months or 6 months from now, you're going to launch your store officially. So you can set up a pre-order just like Gucci does, just like Apple does, just like any type of gaming service with new games that come out, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 6, PlayStation 7, who knows how far that's going to go, right? But these websites actually have pre-sale where people actually buy a year in advance, 6 months in advance, 3 months in advance. And you can do the same concept with your website by having a pre-sale order. Make it evident that the product is not available right now. However, they are pre-buying into that product so that you can ship it out to them in 6 months from now, in 3 months from now, depending on what marketing strategy that you want to use with this method. So with that being said, guys, that's the few steps on getting your skincare business off the ground, getting it started, getting that idea out your head, and having that dream actually come true. But there's nothing else other to do but to take action right now. All the way up until this point, you've probably never seen a YouTube video like this before where it broke down every step and it gave away all the tools in order to get something started. However, most people don't take action. And if you're watching this video right now, you want to take action on this right now so that you can have your own brand and create your own economy. Because later on down the road, you may decide to go ahead and sell this business, and this business is worth an insane amount of money over time. Okay? I'm talking about millions of dollars that this company could be worth if you continue to market this business and decide to let go of this business a year, 2 years later down the road. So hopefully this video was of value to you. If it was, go ahead and like this video. And also go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube video as I do an update on this strategy as well. I'm actually building out a client's store that wanted a skincare business. It's a one-product skincare business line. And I'm going to be building that out for that person. So once that video and that production is done, I'm going to go ahead and share that information on this YouTube channel. So whenever you subscribe, you're going to get the notification exactly when that video comes out on this YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, you guys take care, and I definitely will see you on the inside.